Hey guys, just got a delivery from my buddy over at Yotto Overland with a bunch of Raptorized goodies. So let's get it open and check out what we picked up today. This one is a surprise gift from Yotto Overland. They're Raptorized Windshield Washer Nozzle Covers. These feel high quality and are coated in the same durable Raptor lining as my grille and other accessories. So let's head over to the shop for this simple install. First, grab yourself some double-sided tape. Cut strips to size and secure them to the nozzle covers. Then repeat for the second cover. Next, let's clean the nozzle covers for better surface contact. Now just grab the nozzle cover, peel back the tape, and secure it into place. Now for the passenger side. Peel, stick, and just like that, we've got Raptorized windshield washer nozzles. And it looks great with all the other Raptorized touches on my Jeep too. Get yours at the link below and make sure to like and subscribe.